Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. Welcome to Cars and Joshy. Tonight I'm going to finish up installing my Pypes 3-inch exhaust kit. Going to tack some stuff up and be done with it. So let's go do it. There's what it looks like. A little bit of a hack job, but I don't really care. Nobody's gonna really see it, and shouldn't affect the way that it's gonna sound. So you can see I hacked down quite a bit right here, and then these two pipes I cut down quite a bit. Cut this one down a little bit too much, so I tacked some more onto the end down here so that it'll fit. But I'm gonna get this all welded up, and then I'll slide it back in there. There it is, pretty much all welded up. I know this section looks kind of like boo-boo, but you know what? It's the first time I ever did exhaust, so I'm fine with it. Roll it back up under the truck, see if I can't get it to bolt back in. Got the exhaust back up under here, but with one problem. I've got this one connected and it's just fine, but as I suspected, because I welded on this, for some reason it doesn't line up now, even though it lined up perfectly when I took it off, and I had it tacked, so it's not like the pipe should have rotated or anything like that. So I don't know if like welding on it warped it or whatever, but I do have a plan for how to get that back in there. But I'll take it down here. You can see there's the weld line, so I was able to smooth it out enough to slide into the muffler here, so that was good. And there's where I welded on to add on to this one, and it slid in here just fine. So everything is nice and kind of lined up. It's clearing on both sides still, so that's good. And yeah, the only last piece of the puzzle is right there, and I think I got an idea of how to get that to fit where I want it to. I don't think I'm gonna be able to just push it, so I'm gonna go grab a ratchet strap. Still looks good. Good clearance all the way around. Better clearance over there than I initially had. So I thought I'd get up underneath the truck and maybe cut those tailpipes off, the rear exit pipes off with the plasma cutter. I thought maybe I can get a clean cut, but man, I was wrong about that. I foobarred that cut. I'm not experienced with my plasma cutter yet, but I ended up just cutting it with the hacksaw on the end anyways, or the not hacksaw but the sawzall. But you know what? Oh man, problem solved. Look at that. Okay, I finished up the exhaust here, at least until I can get it to an actual muffler shop with the lift and stuff, because I'm not gonna be trying to weld this exhaust laying on the creeper, and I'm not that good of a welder, so I'm not gonna be messing with it anymore. I've got it pretty much where I want it. The only thing I might do is tack these tips on a little bit, but I'll show you what I did with the hanger right here where body mount bracket is. I drilled 2 holes there, put me an Amazon hanger right there, and did the same exact thing on this side over here. There it is right there. And then the rest of it's pretty much what you guys have seen before. Tacked everything, welded everything in that center section, welded it all up. Just come out right there. I still like this better than how it looked with the straight pipes all the way out the back. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.